Hi, my name is Sheila Hill. I'm an intuitive life coach and a spiritual guide. Today I want to talk about the hard road traveled. So many of us that are on the spiritual awakening, personal evolution path took the hard road, like the really hard road. I know I did, and if you're watching this, you probably did too. I want you to understand that the divine wisdom in that, as that being a part of your soul's design for this human journey, was that it ensured that there would be a breakdown that would catalyze the breakthrough that would break you open. That was the purpose in it all along. You didn't come in handicapped or overburdened with karma or victimized by any mal-manifestation. It was all a part of the divine plan all along. Because you see, while it molds you and helps give context to who you're ever becoming, which is the purpose, there's also other profound layers in it that maybe you haven't unveiled to yourself yet. So, for example, if you experienced in your journey great betrayal, then know on the other side of that, the transcendence of that betrayal and the healing of that experience for you is for you to embody honesty and integrity for yourself, to be an example to others, and to hold that as a frequency for the new earth experience. If you felt like you were always the black sheep in the family, that you were never included, that you never quite felt like you belonged, then guess what? As you heal that and return back home to yourself and come into complete and full acceptance of who you are, as you are, at all times, then you embody unity and inclusion as a frequency. You become so good with who you are and so okay with all of yourself, flaws and everything, that you become an example to others so that others can see what it's like to fully and completely accept yourself. But as a frequency, you embody unity, which is one of the cornerstones of the New Earth experience. And here's the one that everybody has, and that is not being loved, not feeling seen, not being heard. Because you see, the divine wisdom in that plan was that you would always then have to return back to yourself, that you would become the holder of your own space, the lover of your own existence, of your own heart, that you would hear and see and feel and be with yourself so intimately that you would embody unconditional love. And with that, you become an example. You become an example to others so that they can see what it looks like to be unconditionally loving and honoring of self. And that how, by being in that space with yourself, you have so much more to offer the world. And as a frequency, you then become a code holder, a frequency offerer to the New Earth experience. So you see, the road traveled, the hard road that so many of us have taken, and a lot of us are coming out the other side of it. But if you're not, then that's okay. I want you to still take this message as your hope and inspiration and perspective that will help you keep going. Because every single part of your journey has been molding you for your highest potential, for your mission. Everyone wants to know their mission. Well, how about that? Your mission is to return back home to you so that you can become an example for other people and an energy frequency that is then offered to the earth. Every single part of your darkest days has always held within it the beautiful potential of rebirthing you into the light of all that you can be. Please take this as a heartfelt message from one person who took the hard road many times to you who may be feeling like you're sitting on the path right now. Much love to you. Until next time. Bye for now.